boats anyway? How big a boat can you fit in a city? How big a boat anyway could you fit in a big city? How big of a boat could you fit in between big city boats in the big city boat that you got a big boat in? There's a boat in the city. It fell from top of the ocean. There's a boat in the city. It didn't float. How big a boat can you throw in the city? Does it float when it lands in the street? It's a boat, great big boat in the city. Might be two boats. You sunk my city. It's not a boat, it's just a fishing village. A big oil container boat, talking about those big shipping line boats. Not the people on the boat, an actual boat, big steel boat, driving in the water. No boats float. I know the boats can be in the water. I know boats, a really big boat landing in the city like the same shape as the city streets. It's the city, no floating boats in the city. Come from the sky. It's a boat. Can you put a big boat in the city? You can, 'cause it's a really pretty place.